Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, steel wheels, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.